Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. This is grade 2, lesson 29. So today we are going to learn subtraction. Let's take a look at number 6. So number 6 we have 148 minus 9. Alright, let's solve it. So 148 minus 9. So remember, when we subtract, we will always start from the right side and work our way towards the left side. Okay, so here we have 8 minus 9. Now I want you guys to stop and think about it. We have an 8 on top of 9, a 9 below 8. Do you think we can subtract straight down? The answer is no. We can't subtract straight down. The reason for that is because 8 is a number less than 9. Now, you see, when you have a number that is less on top of a greater number, you can't subtract straight down. That is the rule in subtraction. So we have to do something. What do we have to do? Well, let me just change it to red. We're going to add 10 to the less number, and then we're going to go look at our left side, our neighbor, which is 4. When I say neighbor, I don't mean by 1. You can't choose 1. You have to choose the one that is right next to 8, which is 4. So we're going to look at 4, and then we're going to subtract 4 by 1. Now remember this, because this is a rule, okay? So you're going to add 10 to the number that is less, and then you're going to look at the number that's right next to it on the left side, not the right side, which is 4, and you're going to subtract 1 to the neighbor. Okay, so 8 plus 10 is what? It's 18. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, we can solve now. So we have 18 minus 9. What's 18 minus 9? 18 minus 9 is 9. And we have 3, but below 3 there is nothing. So we are simply just going to bring 3 down. So it's going to be 3. Same with 1. There's nothing below 1. So we're going to bring 1 down. So here we have our answer is 139. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this one is rounding numbers. It says round the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, let's look at number 8. Number 8 we have 27. Let me write a list of numbers. So when they say round the numbers to the nearest 10, we're talking about rounded to 10, 20, round 27 to either 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. But you see, 27 is between what? 27 is between 20 and 30. So when they ask us to round the numbers to the nearest 10, we have to round 27 to either 20 or 30. Now, if you look at number 27, the number 27, do you think 27 is closer to 30 or closer to 20? The answer is 27 is closer to 30. Why? Because here we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and finally 30, right? Now, when you round your numbers to the nearest 10, this is actually another rule. So, you see 24 here? If and only if the ones place has a 4, then when you round, the numbers that has a 4 3, 2, and a 1 in the ones place will be rounded to 20. However, if the number had a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in their ones place, then it will be rounded to 30. It's simply just that. And 27 had a 7 in the ones place. So because it has a 7, it was going to be rounded to the 30. Okay, let's go to the next one. So let's look at number 4. Number 4, we have a shape. And that shape is called triangle. Now this triangle seems to be splitted by 3s. So 1, 2, 3. However, they're asking us for the total equal parts, the shaded parts, and the fraction. Okay, let's do it. So the total equal parts. They want us to know, when they ask for total equal parts, they want to know how many parts has been sliced. So let's count. It's been sliced once, and twice, and thrice. So it's been sliced 3 times. Let's write that. That is our first answer, 3. Okay, now they're asking for the shaded parts. Let's look. As we can see, this shape and this shape are not shaded. However, this shape is shaded because it has a darker tint. Okay, but it only seems to be shaded for only one triangle. So let's write it. How many parts are shaded? 1 parts are shaded. And now they're asking for the fraction. So what they mean by fraction? By the term fraction, obviously you guys know that it's going to be something like 1/3, 1/2, something like that, right? So in this triangle, there are 1, 1, 2, 3. So because there are 3, you're going to write 3 on the denominator place. Now the reason why for that is because the denominator place is usually for the place where you write a total amount of something. And the total amount of shape this triangle has is 1, 2, 3. So that's why we write 3. Okay, 3. However, on the shaded parts, when that one shade that is shaded in will be taken out. So because it will be taken out, the ones that are taken out will be placed on a numerator. So how many shapes was taken out? Only 1, which is the shaded part. So because of that, I'm going to write 1 on the numerator. So the fraction for number 4 is going to be 1/3. Alright, this is the end of our lesson. I hope to see you again.